Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm gonna do a little bit of a luxury haul, a little shopping trip unboxing. So let's get into it. So of course it's from my favorite store, Louis Vuitton. This is still the current holiday bag. They still have a bunch from after the holidays. I had a lot of pieces pre-ordered from like the Aerogram collection, the stamps collection, even the Valentines, and a piece from my old Nigo collection came in. So I bought 4 things. Let's go right into it. Oh. The smaller piece, let's see what we have. So this one right here is, this is the new men's Aerogram collection. It comes in orange, black, and one other color which I can't remember on the top of my head. They call this an Aerogram leather. So this is a full leather piece. So this retail for I believe like $500. This was $565. It is complete leather. I believe she told me this is cowhide leather, which is different from calfskin. I only got this because I love orange. To the next piece. Okay, this one's a little bit bigger. Let's see what we have. I don't know which box is which. Okay. So I believe this is the passport cover. I love collecting passport covers. This is the new men's stamp collection. It looks like an ostrich and an antelope or some sort of safari animal. It is in damier graphite. They really don't release passport covers a lot whenever they release collections. So whenever I see one pop up, I have to buy it because it's so rare and I travel a lot. So the only thing is the interior is like I want to say it's in between like a yellow green. So it's a really interesting choice of color. If you look closely why they call it stamps, the animal shapes have stamps. So London, and then there's Paris, Australia. They even have Chinese letters on some of them. So yeah, so this is the passport cover. Okay, let's go to the next piece. This one's a bit bigger. Okay, again, the bigger the piece is, the more exciting it is. You know? Okay, it's the Brazza wallet. I was supposed to purchase this a couple weeks ago, but the one that came in was defective. So she placed an order for a new one, but we weren't sure if it was gonna be fulfilled or if it was gonna come in. So I was just like, whatever, if I get it, I get it. If I don't, I don't. So this is the second release. Here is like a reverse monogram, peanut butter. My favorite, it's the Louis Vuitton made heart, LV made heart. Okay, and it has gold stamping right in the middle. This is LV made. It also has gold hardware as well. So the Brazza wallet, love it, love it, love it. There's tons of pockets in this. It is in canvas, so it's your standard canvas piece. This is why we're doing a little haul. Last piece, it comes in even a bigger box. Okay, let's see. And this is from the women's collection, the Valentines. Tadza. Okay, you guys ready? Oh, oops. There we go. So it is the mini pochette accessoires. Okay, or the mini PA. And this is in the Valentine's collection for women's. It comes in the pink, and this is the blue. It gives me like cotton candy vibes. It is in Vernus leather, which is really nice. Gold hardware as well. But my favorite is probably the interior. Look at that. Oops. Let me take out this little booklet. It's a pink interior. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I'm probably never going to use this, but I needed to add some more color to my collection. Also did order the pink, which is coming in, so once I receive that, I'll do another video on that. But here's a quick look at the Valentine's collection for women's for 2022. Today I spent about a little over $2,800. I try to keep my shopping trips to like a minimum. There were so many pieces that I saw that I really wanted to buy. Yeah, but that was a quick little rundown of everything that I bought during my shopping trip. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Or you don't forget to leave a comment, hit the like button, and I'll be posting more videos. I'll see you next video. Bye guys.